All right, we are now shifting our focus to West Bengal again, where you can see these visuals are coming in of Home Minister Amit Shah, who currently is in West Bengal. And these are the pictures from the BJP war room in West Bengal. And there you can see Home Minister Amit Shah also interacting with other officials of the BJP. And we can see the visuals coming in from Kolkata, where Home Minister Amit Shah is present today. This is the BJP war room in Kolkata, taking stock of the situation, getting a sense of how the polling really has been on day one so far. Remember, BJP candidates, two of them at least, were targeted earlier today. We saw clashes being reported in Murshidabad as well. Clearly, even though there was a heavy deployment of central forces, even that could not really ensure absolutely, violence-free election is what we can say right now, because there was heavy deployment of security forces to ensure that nothing untoward happens. But we saw clashes in the morning in Murshidabad, and then in two other constituencies, we saw BJP candidates getting targeted. And Home Minister Amit Shah there taking stock of the situation. Remember, it's just first phase that we are talking about all of West Bengal. There are going to be two phases in West Bengal assembly elections. First phase voting is happening today, and voter turnout has been quite healthy. And on the other hand, we have seen violence, sporadic incidents of violence also taking place in different constituencies. And there you can see the visuals of Home Minister Amit Shah in BJP's war room in Kolkata. Let me go across to my colleague Shivam, joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, what is the latest update that you can share with us? We're getting visuals of Home Minister Amit Shah in BJP's war room in Kolkata. It's an important election for the BJP, and this phase, many are saying, is like a make or break phase for BJP.
Exactly, Hina, and that is why we've seen today at 10 in the morning, Amit Shah reached this particular area. This is the war room that is being, made at the BJP office, state office in Kolkata, where you will see there are different departments, which are currently, tracking the election commission live streaming. And there are career departments which are constantly in call with the booth level agents, with the, booth level workers who are around. And then there is third department, which is constant contact with all the candidates to understand what is the ground reality going on. It has been almost 3 hours since Amit Shah, the Home Minister, along with other senior ministers, including Bhupendra Yadav, Anil Baluli, are inside this particular office. And as rightly mentioned, this particular phase, the first phase, is very crucial because North Bengal is the area where BJP has done well in 2021 as well. They would want to increase their vote share. So the second phase, which is in the south or the central Bengal, which has not been traditionally in the favor of BJP, that becomes easier for them to cross that 50% seat mark. So in this particular visual that you can see, Prime Minister meeting all the karyakartas, all the workers in different departments, making sure that they have all the data from each level booth. What we've been given to understand from the sources is that there was a 10% difference last time in the elections 2021. BJP would want to reduce that. They would want to overcome that, and for that they would need to increase 500 to 1,000 voters on each and every booth. And that is why micromanagement becomes very crucial, especially in this particular phase where BJP has an advantage, be it in the North Bengal, the Gorkha region, the hilly region, where Amit Shah has gone and has given a guarantee that the BJP will solve this entire issue of the Gorkha area. Apart from that, we have also seen the clashes that is being emerging from Murshidabad and other areas. There is one other team which is also tracking the situation when it comes to law and order, so that the BJP workers are also informed and they can also advise the voters to stay safe and to find the way where they can easily reach to the booth and vote in maximum numbers. Because again, the more the voters will come out, the more the voter section will come out, it gives a hint that there is a strong anti-incumbency against the existing government. So BJP would want more numbers or number of voters to coming out. And this is why Amit Shah has been inside this war room for almost 3 hours now.
Right. So this is basically, viewers, BJP's war room that has been created at party's Salt Lake office in Kolkata, where you can see Home Minister Amit Shah interacting with other officials of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And also, Shivam, the focus is going to be on phase 2 now, because one can, look at these visuals and say that all preparations are in full swing. Anything that's really needed for BJP to really woo the voters ahead of the second phase of polling, isn't it? Because first phase, of course, whatever had to be done has been done already. Now it's up to the voters who they are really going to choose. But then the focus is going to shift to phase 2.
Exactly, Hina, and that is why you are seeing there are almost 8 events of the Prime Minister starting today. He has already addressed in Delhi. He has a roadshow in Howrah as well. Then Amit Shah is also having a roadshow near Kolkata. So central, Bengal, near Kolkata. These are the regions that the BJP is now targeting because these are, some of the bastion of the TMC that the BJP would want to grab on. Yesterday also, we have seen a massive roadshow that happened in the evening near, just 20 kilometers away from Kolkata. So these seats that are around Kolkata, the urban seats in the south and the central, is something that BJP is targeting on. And from the war room, they are also making a strategy of how these can be built, how number of voters can be increased on these booths as well, which have not been, traditionally in the favor of BJP. Remember, after the SIR, there has been a lot of cuts, but there are good number of seats where the difference was more than 20,000. So BJP would want to reduce that to as much as possible.
All right, Shivam, thank you for the moment for joining us with all of those details. Let's now listen in to what the Prime Minister had said about Bengal a short while ago.
मैं जब से राजनीति में आया हूं, मैं शायद कह सकता हूं पिछले 50 साल में ये पहला चुनाव ऐसा है जिसमें हिंसा कम से कम हुई है, वरना हर हफ्ता किसी को फांसी पर लटका देते थे और बोल देते थे आत्महत्या कर दी। यानी एक प्रकार से गुंडा राज चलता था। मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन का हृदय से अभिनंदन करता हूं कि उन्होंने लोकतंत्र की फिर से एक बार बंगाल की धरती पर प्रतिष्ठा की है। शांतिपूर्ण मतदान करवाने में इलेक्शन कमीशन की ये सफलता, ये बहुत बड़ी सिद्धि है।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.